Hi folks, Wes at Lochmandy Chevrolet Buick. Got another vehicle to look at today. 2013 Chevrolet Equinox. Customer states is making noises when turning left or right, clunking and grinding noises. Well, I've gotten in the vehicle here. We're going to take a quick look, see if we can get some confirmation of noises, and we'll get it in the shop and see what's going on. Oh my. I don't know how much of that you can hear. Got all kinds of clunks and groans going on. Popping when turning. Oh my word. Well, folks, definitely hearing some clunking and popping as the customer describes and turning left and right. We're going to have to find out what broke. The inspection revealed the noise was coming from the transfer case. So Ben removed the transfer case and then performed an inspection on the bench. So, time for a new transfer case. Here you see some of the process that Ben went through in installing the new transfer case, along with a couple of other repairs that he was able to do while the vehicle was in the air. And here's the final buttoning up, pulling it out of the shop, and going on the test drive. So folks, that's what broke, the transfer case. Internal damage in the transfer case. Every time it was turning corners, you could hear everything starting to bang and clunk and have all kinds of problems. We got a new transfer case installed. Question is the sound gone? Listen for yourself. No more clunkities. Have a great day.